it's AC, and today we will be playing Escape School Obby. So we are actually in school, and like this guy, like he's saying, "Hey, let's get out of here." Everyone else is left, and the teacher's sleeping. Let's go. So yeah, we're gonna escape. And I don't know usually when we're doing Escape Obby, and I think it seems actually pretty nice. We just it actually isn't really nice. Like seriously, every time it actually just seems like as if it's going bad. Okay. Okay. No, I'm just gonna kind of jump. No. Okay. Okay. Sorry. All right. Now. Oh, wait. Alright. We have this guy saying something else. Looks like you just mopped the floors. Okay. And we are not supposed to touch the water, obviously. Okay, maybe we should escape the school because, well, it's like toxic water. Oh my goodness! It really is toxic water. I just died, you guys. No, this is so not nice. Not at all. Okay. What do I do? Okay. Try my best. Okay. No! It killed me instantly. This kills me instantly. I just thought that was a glitch or something, but actually I did touch it. Okay. Alright. Oh yeah, I'm on the next stage. Okay. Which locker is it? Well, there is a lucky number, so I'm going to try this one. Oh, it is. Okay. Well, 3 is my lucky number. Well, actually, I hope you guys, if you guys saw that I just stopped in 1 minute, for a few seconds, comment down below, because I just glitched and I literally just stopped. Alright. It's hard to believe that very little people are playing this game. Usually, the last time I played this game, many people were, playing it. And usually, I just love, playing. Okay, so I'm really on, the first one on top. Okay. Okay, so we have these rusty pipe thingies, and those are really flattened out. Okay, now we have to walk. I thought you could walk on any. I have literally forgotten how I am supposed to play this game. Let's try this one. Okay, it's this one. Now let's try the middle. Okay, it's the middle. You guys, if you haven't wondered, I have literally stopped doing my trick. My checking trick. So I only do that because I'm actually kind of liking when I guess. Okay. Checkpoint's all the way there. Oh! Someone flooded the bathrooms. He has a point there. And thank goodness we're escaping this place. All I hope for is all I want is super speed. Yeah. If you guys, oh my goodness. I literally let go of the button. I let go of the button, you guys. I know my voice is super loud. I don't know if it is, but it is to me. I literally just let go of the button and it still made me walk. What? If it was a longer broom, okay, fine. But it's a shorter broom. And I was literally not even on the broom, and I didn't even die. You guys, do you think this school is weird or not? If you do, please comment down below. If you don't, again, you can comment down below. Okay, let's go through the doors. Okay, the 11th stage, obviously we cannot touch those basketballs. Because, actually, I think we could have, because basketballs are really close and we could just jump onto them. Okay, now we have these acid and we are actually, out of gym class. Seriously. We are out of the gym class. We are out of the gym class. Oh my! I didn't even touch the button and I didn't even press it and it still walked, you guys. What? I only pressed the space bar once and I let go. How is this happening, you guys? How? All I hope is that doesn't happen again. No! I jumped too early. I jumped too early. Why? Oh, I did it. Okay. Jump on the eraser. Jump on this one. Jump on that one. Jump on this one. And now on to that. You guys. Oh my goodness, you guys. That book is watching me. See? It's watching me. Okay, you guys. It's watching me. It's still watching me. Let go. Leave me alone. It's still watching me. It's watching me. Leave me alone. It's still watching me, you guys. It's still watching me. Even if I'm not even on the same stage anymore. Can you guys believe it? Okay, that seemed weird. I can just climb on up again. That kind of seemed weird to me, but okay. Oh! Looks like we have to walk home. Okay, that's gonna be a long walk. long. This is gonna be so long. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and we'll see you all next time. Bye! If you are, not bye yet. If you're not already, subscribe. And yeah, now we'll see you all next time. Bye!